How do psychometric tests reduce unconscious bias? Imagine a hiring process where every candidate is evaluated fairly, based solely on their skills and potential. That's what psychometric tests aim to do. These assessments are designed to be objective tools that measure abilities, personality traits, and job-related qualities. Unlike traditional interviews or resume reviews that can be influenced by personal impressions or stereotypes, psychometric tests focus on data that is consistent and fair for everyone. They are carefully created and validated to apply equally to all candidates, no matter their background or appearance. This means every person takes the same test under the same conditions, and their scores are compared using the same standards. This process helps remove the influence of unconscious biases that might sway a human interviewer. For example, someone might unconsciously favor a candidate who looks similar to them or has a similar educational background. Psychometric assessments shift the focus away from these subjective factors and onto measurable skills and traits. They often evaluate cognitive abilities like problem solving, logical reasoning, and numerical skills, which are directly related to job performance. They also assess personality traits and behavioral tendencies that can predict how well someone will fit into a role or team. By concentrating on these objective measures, employers can compare candidates fairly and transparently. This helps ensure that qualified individuals from diverse backgrounds are not overlooked because of unconscious stereotypes. Using psychometric tests can also promote diversity and inclusion by reducing the risk of bias affecting hiring decisions. When these assessments are part of a structured recruitment process, they support fairer evaluations and better hiring outcomes. To get the best results, organizations should validate these tests for the specific roles they are used for and train hiring managers to understand how unconscious bias can influence decisions. Regularly reviewing recruitment results and outcomes can also help improve fairness. Overall, psychometric tests serve as a practical way to make hiring more objective, fair, and inclusive by focusing on what candidates can do and how they think, rather than on subjective impressions.